Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the web page not available error in your Android mobile. So through this video, I'm going to tell you some common solutions to fix the web page not available error on your Android device. First, the first thing that you can do is check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable and strong. And here you can try to restart your router or modem by turning it on and off by turning it off and on again. And if you are using mobile data, you can check your data balance and signal strength. So maybe you are out of your data, then you need to buy the balance again. And the second solution is you can try to clear the browser cache and cookies. You can open your browser settings. So in this case, I'm using Chrome. So I'm going to click on the three dots icon and go to the settings and then let's find the history if there's any in here. Okay, so this is the history. You can try to click on delete browsing data, and here select the cookies and also the cache image and files. Check this like this. You can click on delete data and then just tap on delete again. So after you are doing that, your history and your browsing history, cookies and cache will be reset or deleted. And the third solution, you can try to update your browser. You can go to the Google Play Store and check if there is a newer version of your browser. So let's find Chrome in here. Okay, this one again, see that there is no update available. That means I'm already in newer versions of the Chrome. And you can also if there's any update available, you can install the latest version to fix bugs and improve performance. Okay, the fourth solution, you need to disable the ad blockers or VPNs. You can temporarily disable any ad blockers or VPNs you are using, and you need to also check the compatibility. You need to ensure that your ad blocker or VPN is compatible with your browser and device. The fifth solution, you can restart your device. You can turn off your device and then turn it back on. And you can also try a different browser. If Chrome is not working, you can try use any other browser like Firefox or maybe Microsoft Edge. So the last one is that you can check the website status. The website itself might be experiencing technical difficulties. You can try assessing it from a different device or browser. And if you already tried these steps and the issue still persists, you might want to contact your internet service provider or the website support team for further assistance. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.